Meaning of furniture.
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 Furniture. Furniture refers to movable objects that are designed to support various human activities such as seating, eating, sleeping, and storage. It typically includes items such as chairs, tables, beds, shelves, and sofas, among others. Furniture can be made from a variety of materials including wood, metal, plastic, and glass, and can be designed in various styles ranging from traditional to modern and minimalist. The function and style of furniture has evolved throughout history, reflecting cultural and technological changes, and continues to be an important aspect of interior design and home decoration.